Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Stash application on your iPhone. So let's dive into the video right away. First of all, open your App Store and go to the search box and type in Stash. Once you make a search for it, in the search result, look for this application from Stash Financial Inc. Stash is an investment application that helps you build long-term wealth by making it easy and affordable to invest in stocks and EFT. It offers fractional shares, auto-invest, stock-backed card, IRAs, and educational resources. It is a good option for beginners who want to start investing but don't know where to start. So in order to download the application on your iPhone, tap on the Get button and wait for the application to download and install. And you will be able to launch open the app anytime you want. So that's how easy it is to download the Stash investment application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.